Hello, my name is Max.
And my name is Josh.
We are from Horizon International School, Class 3J. And this is our science project.
Go.
This is our science project about the RMS Titanic. Here is the Lego Titanic, the iceberg that the Titanic hit, and some pieces that Max will tell you in a bit.
These two pieces represent how modern ships are made and how old ships are made. So, on this one, olden ships, they used to have one skin, then the ribs, which will make if they're in an accident, so an iceberg would crash into it, then water would flood in. Now, in the modern days, if it crashed into it, it would go in one, but not flood, because there was another skin as well. And then in between are the ribs. Yeah. And then we have this window, which I made of Lego. What windows looked like in the olden days, and then now they're just like circular. Okay. Now we would like to demonstrate how it works in the water. Okay. Here is our boat in the water, and
here's the iceberg in the water.
Oh no, the Titanic has struck the iceberg.
It's starting to sink.
I'm just stabilizing it. Okay. And it's
okay. Now we're
Now
going
I'm going to show you in detail how the Titanic sank.
Here's a hole in the Titanic. The reason why it sank was because in the olden days the compartments weren't big enough, didn't go right to the top, so it just kept going right over through each compartment and made it sink. Thanks for watching
our RMS Titanic science project.
Smash the like button
and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and see us on Seesaw.
And YouTube.
Bye.
Bye.